Good morning, guys. Saturday morning. What a fantastic day it is. Check a look at this. These are the conditions right now. But anyway, based on this, right now, when do you think is the optimum time to hammer some fish out in Cooks Bay? Yes, that's right, when the smoke is on the water. That's about 2 weeks away, guys. But anyway, we're going to start off with the conditions of Cooks Bay right now, and we're going to be right back.
How's this for a shot? First thing Saturday morning, guys. Look at 1 week's different. You guys came pretty early today. We're standing up fishing. It's not a bad spot down there. A couple guys way down the holly. People matching the boats, guys. Anyway. It's a great day. We'll be right back after this word, guys.
In the 1800s, when Guildford became popular for ice fishing, 1989, a local decided to put a hut at the end of Guildford Road and start a message board and supply ice reports. It became so popular, other locals decided to do the same thing, but without supplying reports. Food was being sold. Locals were blocking off the entrance to the ice. We moved forward 10 years. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Guildford Place. Morning, guys. Saturday morning. Welcome to the Cooks Bay Fishing Board. We're going to get right into this morning's report. But before we do that, the newest internet sensation is coming this winter, guys. It's called Guildford Place. Man, it's going to blow you away. Meet characters, guys, individuals.
Take it from that, you know.
It's going to be the greatest show. But anyway, let's get right in.
Come out. Just enjoy Cooks Bay. If you're hitting it there later, 705-456-0000. Phone. The Cooks Bay Fishing Board will carry the conversation live on the internet. Talk to you guys real soon. Okay, guys, as promised, here we go. It's Saturday morning. Meet today's pros. Where are you guys from? Mississauga. So you're going to come here and try to tame Cooks Bay today, is that right? What are you going to use? Have you fished here before?
No, first time.
Okay, so what are you going to use as your ammunition?
Got some worms.
Worms?
Got some lures, crankbaits.
Crankbaits, okay. Any spinners?
Yeah, we got some spears to try to get up some bass.
Anything chartreuse?
Chartreuse? No. A lot
No,
of
sure.
orange, a lot of green.
Orange, greens?
Some tops. Some live target
So you got,
live target frogs.
okay, that'll be, these might work out. This, right in the south end, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so we have high expectations for these bros right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to call them in about an hour. We're going to carry the conversation. We're going to see how the weather is up until then, and they might even be lucky and catch a couple of fish. Ain't that right, guys? All right, man. Say goodbye, and we'll talk to you later.
Take care.
Let's stop right there, and let's give them a call right now, live. Let's see. What's going on? And I got some more video of these guys. Let's just move it on. Here's the video of them and all the other boats out there just from a little while ago. See if they pick up. Doesn't look like they're gonna answer the phone, dudes.
Your call has been forwarded to.
Oh well. I tried. I'll try it again later. Anyway, this is Cook's Bay right now. I think that's them right there. Right there. Anyway, guys, we'll be back about noon with a live report. Talk to you real soon.